dolls, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So I am actually about to go take some pictures for the Grwm before it starts pouring down raining, because I don't really want to lose my sunlight because I need it. Like, hello. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and just get straight into this video. I have already done my brows and primed my lids. I'm just going back in right now and making sure that there are no lines, that my base is smooth. And I use the LA Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey on top of my lids. Okay, so now that that is smooth, I'm actually just going to set this with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm just tapping this and blending it into my lid. Okay, so now that I have set my eyelid area, it's all smooth. I'm actually not going to be doing eyeshadow. I'm just gonna do like a pop of color as like a wing liner using one of my neon eyeshadows. This is something I have never done before. I've seen it a lot on Instagram and I've always wanted to try it, so hopefully all goes well. Yeah, so we'll just do it together. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we'll just, we'll just wipe it off. I'm actually going to use my Tart Shape Tape in the shade Medium Sand to create this, the line that I need before I start putting the neon color onto my lid. I'm actually using a lip pencil, something kind of small, to like carve out this liner. Just dragging this and like trying to create a wing. First of all, I'm not even good at doing wings, so I don't really know what inspired me to do this, but I'm gonna do it. Okay guys, so this is the wing, which I think I did pretty okay. I think I did pretty good. So I'm actually gonna use, I can't even remember where I got these from, but I will figure it out and tag it below. But these are the neon colors. I'm actually gonna use this pink right here. I didn't know how I feel about it. I feel like it need to be I don't know. So I have this white eyeliner I've never used before. So I was gonna try to put that on top of this to see what it looks like, or if I can even freaking do it. Anyway, okay, here goes. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I don't know how in the hell y'all be doing this. Baby, that eyelid was shaking like a stripper. Like, honey, this is such a tedious job. Oh my goodness. I don't know, but we'll clean it up once it So right here, I'm just taking my Tart Shape Tape to clean up that liner. Y'all, when I tell y'all this was like so hard for me, even though it looks so simple, when doing looks like this, you want to make sure that your lines are sharp, everything is clean. But as I said before, this is my first time ever even attempting something like this. So my lines aren't just the straightest lines. It's not the cleanest, but this is our first attempt. And this is definitely something that I'm going to practice more on every day because I do want to master these looks. But anyway, back to what we're doing. We're just cleaning up those corners, those edges, so that everything looks crisp, it looks clean, and those points look sharp, honey. Okay? Okay, guys, so this is what I came up with. It's not the neatest, it's not the sharpest, it's not, you know, the way it should be. But this is my first attempt, and one thing I realized, like, it's nothing that you can't do. If you practice makes perfect. I know we all grew up hearing that, but it actually does. Like, if I attempt to do this once a day, I'm pretty sure that I would have it mastered within no time. But this is my first attempt at ever doing anything like this. So, for a first attempt, I think it looks okay. I did mess up at the top, and my white is cracking a little bit, but I think once I get lashes on, I think it'll be okay. I'm sorry, guys. I actually had the mirror covering my lips, but I am just outlining my lips with a brown lip pencil. This is what I have plans to wear. We're just going to do all denim today. Got some denim shorts. We got a leopard fanny pack. I haven't really decided which earrings I'm gonna do. It's either gonna be these triangle hoops or these. And then this is just a anklet with some crosses on it. And then I have a denim hat and then just a denim top that I'm gonna do. Going to actually pair it with these shoes here. That's kind of why I wanted to do the pink liner, so it can match this pink here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get changed, and I will actually be right back after I get dressed. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this here is the finished look. These are my cute little shoes. This is the anklet I was telling you about. Too cute. A leopard fanny pack. My watch, of course, some hoops, and a denim hat. So, yeah, that is it. We are about to go take these pictures before it starts raining. Because, baby girl, I got to get a picture. So that about sums it up. That is my outfit, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.